We are going to start chapter number 2, Life and Living Things. Living things can be identified by the life processes. First is movement, second is respiration, sensitivity mean respond, growth, respiration, excretion, nutrition mean feed. स्टूडेंट ये सारे नाम याद रखने के लिए आके हिंट देख सकते हैं. ये मैंने लिखा हुआ है मिसिस ग्रैम. मिसिस ग्रैम मीन के फर्स्ट लेटर से मूवमेंट, सेकंड आर जो ग्रैम का है रेस्पिरेशन, और जो एस है उसे सेंसिटिविटी, और जी ग्रोथ, और आर रिप्रोडक्शन, एंड एन ई इज़ एक्सक्रीशन एंड एन इज़ न्यूट्रिशन.
Everything on planet Earth can be put into two groups, things that are living and things that are non-living. But how do we know if something's not living? To do that, we can test to see if they carry out any of the 7 life processes. We call these together Mrs. Gren. M is for movement, and that means travelling from one place to another. R is for respiration, and this means breathing and making energy from the oxygen in our air. S is for sensitivity, and this means being able to detect our surroundings. We have 5 senses, but plants really only detect light and gravity. G is for growth, which means, well, get bigger. The second R is for reproduction, which means make a new version of. In animals, that means making babies, but in plants, it could mean making seeds. E is for excretion, which means getting rid of waste. It doesn't always mean pooing and weeing. It could also mean breathing out carbon dioxide. And finally, N is for nutrition, and that's the food that we need to survive. Plants make their own food through photosynthesis, so in most cases their nutrition comes from minerals